Hey guys, did you know that galaxies are not just composed of stars and gas? In fact, there are two lesser known facts that I want to share with you today. Firstly, dark matter dominates galaxies. It outweighs visible matter by a significant margin and constitutes about 85% of the matter in the universe. We can't see dark matter directly, but we infer its existence from its gravitational effects on visible matter and light. Secondly, larger galaxies often grow by consuming smaller galaxies in a process known as galactic cannibalism or galactic merger. This phenomenon is driven by gravitational interactions over millions of years, resulting in the merging of stars, gas, and dark matter from the smaller galaxy into the larger one. This process plays a crucial role in shaping the structure and evolution of galaxies throughout the universe. These two facts highlight just how complex and mysterious the universe can be. It's fascinating to think about what else we have yet to discover and learn about our universe. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.